Okay, into the attic we go again. And when we go into the attic, it's gonna look very different. Okay, so you could probably notice that all the insulation is in, and like most of it, so you could see I did a perfect job here because I am smart like Simon Seville, Alvin and the Chipmunks. And we got all the insulation in, and it's starting to feel like a room. We took the light out there and put it in here so we can have some light in here temporarily. And you could see that the wall to the furnace is completely knocked off on the other side. And now you could see that when we go into there's just some left. We still need to build this wall right here. But after we get the drywall in, we'll build this wall. After we get the drywall, in, we will build this wall and insulate it and put sheetrock on it. Now let's take a look at the HVAC closet for my furnace right here. Yep, you could see. Now now what's going to be hard is I have to get back through there to get to that furnace. That is going to be kind of hard, but not for Noah Hackworth. So now, hopefully this week we still have that gap to fill, and hopefully this weekend we can start installing the drywall. And I hope we can. But we still need to install all the electrical right here. And also, sorry, I was looking at something. Yeah, we'll get the outlets in, and we'll need to have a switch right there for the shop and one for the attic. So, anyways, that does it for this video. Just comment and subscribe for more. Wait, actually, let me do something first. Let's climb up on the ladder for a bit. I'm wearing my dad's shoes right now. They're almost just about as big as my foot. You could see that here's a great view from the ladder. HVAC. There's the light hanging. It's hanging down from the ceiling. I know it's probably not the best idea, but it's temporarily. So, but anyways, that does it for this video. Just comment and subscribe for more.